ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Good evening to everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing a very interesting yet very simple and very interesting image scrolling video using PowerPoint, where we will be scrolling group of images in opposite direction, which will give a beautiful effect to see. Let us see. We will start with the PPT. Let me go to PPT presentation. We will go to new slide. Let me open a new slide here, new blank slide. Let me delete this. What we have to do, we have to insert few images already downloaded on my PC. I have some images of freedom fighters, so I have images. Like, let me select all the images at once. So I have selected the images like this. So we will be moving one by one around. Yes, so let me separate them, and yeah, we have 5 images. Let us place them like this at one place here. We can reduce the space, we can increase the height a bit, and let us try to keep the sizes of the images same. So we'll try to reduce a bit because all 5 have to be fit in the frame. So yes, so we'll keep it in line, and I'm just taking example of 5 images. You can take 3, 4, whichever, or how many ever images you have, you can take, consider. Just we'll try to see how these images can be made to scroll. So I'm just trying to adjust the image size so that all 5 images can fit into this single frame, right? Okay, and we'll place here, place it like this, and bring it this way, right? Anyways, we can place accordingly, and so all 5 images we have placed. See, we have all these 5 images. What we have to do, click on shift and select all the images at once. And now these images are individual images. To make it a single image, we have to say, after selecting all the images, Control G. That means we are grouping. Okay, let me ungroup them. How we can ungroup? See, now it is a single image, right? We can right click and say go to group. You can say ungroup. Now they are all individual images. I can move one images at a time, right? So if I say, I have to select all the images, and if I say Control G or right click and say group, so it is a single image now, right? We'll group them, and what we'll do, we'll copy the same thing once here, same image here, bottom as well. I'll tell you why we have copied this. We'll try to reduce the height a bit, or we'll, right. So now we have reduced the image. We have fit 2 copies of images. What we have to do, first select top one, go to animations. Here in animation, say add animation, go to more option, motion paths. Now we want to move it right, select right path and say okay. Okay, now it is showing us the path. That means it begins from here and it ends here. So we want that has to move out of the frame, right? So we'll drag a bit, and we'll take it a little forward again. So it has come out of the frame. Let us see slideshow how it happens. Yes, it has moved out. Okay, and similarly, what we can do for this, the bottom one, Go there, go to animations, select add animations, more motion paths, select left one. Okay, now it is moving in this direction, and drag it this way. We can drag it more, drag it so that it comes out of the frame. Okay, now we have dragged it. Let us see how images are moving. Okay, this is moving from right to left and left to right. Now what is happening here is, in this frame, let us go to original frame. Yeah, this is our original frame. What is happening is, this is moving. When I give slideshow, it is not moving. When I click, it is moving. So if I want to move it, see, now I have given slideshow, but still uh, neither of them are moving. This is not moving and this is also not moving. So what we can do, see, it is animated. To start the animation, it is on click. Let us say with previous, and even this, let us say with previous. Now what happens? Without clicking, automatically image starts scrolling. Right? So now there is one more thing what we can do. You just try to observe here. So they begin from the slide. They are beginning from the slide. That means they are beginning from here or somewhere here. See, it is beginning from here, and it is moving. What we want, this image has to begin from here. So for that, what we can do, we can pull it backward like this. We can pull it like this and take out of the frame as well. Now it has come out of the frame, or else we can scroll it this way. And yes, now you see, you now it has, we'll see again, it has started from this end and ended here. Similarly, we can start this from this end. We'll try to pull it here out of the frame. Okay, so yes, now you see, both will start from the beginning now. But what is happening is, both images are moving very fast, so we can increase the duration of the frame. Like I'll make it something 8 seconds, and this also I'll make 8 seconds. Okay, and we'll see now image starts moving slowly. Okay, now you want to see more effects. What we can do, go to animation pane and select, this is animation for this, select it and right click on effects. Say you can go to auto reverse, so that it continuously keeps scrolling. Say auto reverse, go to timing and select how many times you want to repeat until next click. Let me select it here. Similarly, go to this animation, right click, effect options, go to auto reverse and go to timing and say, you can say until next click. Now what happens? Okay, we are not going for the slideshow. Now we'll see, we'll do the slideshow. This will start continuously showing us until we stop. It has reversed. So I have not clicked. I have given the option until next clock is clicked. So until I click my mouse, they keep scrolling in reversed manner. Once it moves from right to left and left to right. This is how we can animate the images in a beautiful manner. This looks good. So if you want to present something, then we can do it this way and make the viewers look good. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, share, and also click on bell icon to view my more upcoming videos. Thank you again. Thanks for watching my video.